Costco account registration. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to register an account on Costco, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Costco.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Costco. You will see the option for sign in/register beside the search bar. Tap on that. In the interface that you are led to, enter your login credentials if you already have an account and tap on sign in. And if you are new to Costco, tap on the create account option. You will now be asked to enter a valid email address, create a password, and enter membership number, which is totally optional. While entering the password, make sure to follow the guidelines of the password, which includes use between 8 to 16 characters, include uppercase and lowercase letter, special characters, numbers, etc. Tap on Create Account once you are done entering these details, and with this, you will be registered to Costco. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.